Hey guys, this is Nick with Nick's Yard Care. You can find us online at www.yardcare.biz. It's the time of year when you get your equipment out and get going with it, and you go to prime your bulb, and it's soft, and all of a sudden it's shooting out gas out of it. Well, that means it's time to replace it. That's what we're going to do real quick here. We're going to replace that bulb. This one is doing it. It's been doing it a couple months now. I just haven't done it. I've kept it running, but it's this time of year we need to get in there and get it fixed. Very simple. I always keep a big pack of bulbs here anyway. Make sure we don't get no dirt into that area. Pop her off. It's just that easy, folks. The new one in. Me get something here. Well, I should have brought a little cleaner over, but cleaners eat these things up, and I don't want to add no more than I got to it on the stress. And it is simple and easy. You can buy these at any home improvement store, especially that services lawn equipment. And the only reason I moved the breather off of it was to have a little more working room. And we're almost done here, folks. Yeah, this blower's been around a long time. It is a residential model that we have used commercially, and it still gets used commercially. Probably shouldn't, but it's just a backup blower, and for leaf season it gives a little extra help. It is not perfect by any means. And let's check it out, see if it fills up. Oh yeah, there we go. She's fully primed. Should have done started by now. But you get the picture of it. Just got to figure out why she ain't starting. Different story on that one. All right, guys, have a good one. All right, guys, I'm back. I had to figure it out. I had a plug that had got a lot of carbon on it. Like I said, this has been in commercial use, even though it's a homeowner's unit, for, I don't know, going on 2 years. Mainly it's a backup now. It was used the other day and it ran. Original plug. As you can see here, I just had to go in and take a wire brush and clean it off. That's all it was. But remember, it's time to get your equipment up and running now. This is the old Homelite 26B handheld. I don't like the throttle on it, but it does keep you from having to hold it by hand. Start it here. It'll lock into high. Your choke's over here. Didn't even need choke after I cleaned the plug and put the new primer bulb in it. That is a heavy unit. And that was my original first purchase after a decent homeowner trimmer. When I first started, I used a bunch of homeowner equipment. Now, of course, things change. You got to grow your business. You have to have more reliable stuff. But that has never let me down. They're not a sponsor to me in any way, but I promise you, I would recommend it if you're starting out. Good for homeowners too. That thing should last you a lifetime. Take care of it. Keep your carburetor clean. Replace the fuel bulb. And just keep a check on your spark plug. The air filter you did see was not the air filter that it came with. Had a guy ended up knocking the cover off and didn't realize it, and the air filter blew off on the way between jobs. I had to run it that day without a filter. I got a filter in it. It's not the right one, but I haven't really worried about it. And it's been like that now for over a year. Still runs like a champ. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. Like and subscribe to me, man. And stay tuned. We got a big video coming out here today. Bye.